These rental car companies these days is bullshit. What up, G? You know that saying, you get what you pay for? Well, that's not the case with these rental cars these days, it seems like. What's going on, bruh?
Dead battery.
They charge you all this money to get this car that's supposed to be brand new.
I'm gonna switch out cars.
Only for you to be dealing with the same problems that you would deal with driving a hoopty.
Hey, hurry up for my car cut off.
I can't tell you how many times I've had to go and help someone over something that's preventative. They expect you to do the maintenance on their cars for them. That is not what your customer base is all about. Y'all don't open the hoods and check your shit. I pick up this dude at his house. Rental car won't work. Said it was a battery. Went through all these things to try to get it started. Tried to jump it with the jump box. Tried to jump it with the truck. And it just would not work. But old boy sat and told me though,
Died yesterday.
that was the second replacement car that he got. Said that the first one he had,
The oil was low.
no oil. No oil in it, to keep it fully 100. In order for the oil to get low on the car, that means that it's going a while without getting an oil change done. What are you getting for these high dollar pieces of shit? Low coolant, no oil. Lack of maintenance on these cars is the reason why they're a piece of shit. So the best piece of advice I can give y'all when you rent a car, pop the hood and check the fluids and everything else that goes along with that car, just to be on the safe side.
It's laggy.
Man, they'll take your money hella quick though, and then give you some beat up shit that ain't gonna make it nowhere. You don't wanna find out later on down the line when you're out in the middle of nowhere on your way to your trip that car needed oil or it needed engine coolant and now your ass is stranded. Where it's gonna take forever and a day for somebody like me to come and save you. Anyway, that's it for this one. We're gonna head out and try to see what else we can get ourselves into. Again, man, pop them hoods, check that fluid, make sure everything is straight. Don't wait until that light comes on or you're out in the middle of nowhere to get it straight. I'll catch you on the next one.